know is pain, all I see is rain. Waiting for a change, waiting for a change. Every day the same, chasing after fame. I should be ashamed, tell me is it all worth it, worth it, worth it? Is it all worth it? Is it all worth it, worth it, worth it? Is it all worth it?
Yeah. It seems like all I know is pain, staring out life's window, all I see is rain. And now I'm searching for that better change, like in '08 when Obama came. And will it ever stop when it comes to that chase of fame? And all the dirt I did, I know I should be ashamed. But tell me, if I made a couple mil, would it all be worth it in the end? Even if I lost a couple friends? Man, it's really twisted up my brain. I'm trying to figure all this out without it driving me insane. They say the struggle is the pain shapes a man to a better man, will form a better plan. But will they ever really understand what it's gonna take to make it? All them chances that we're taking and all them bonds that were broken. It's what I'm wrong, and it's never perfect. I just don't know if it's all worth it. Is it worth it? Oh no. So tell me, what would you do if you were caught in a situation and you had to choose whether to be within that truth or out of the lie, just to tie some in so the fam survive through this economical climb? Everything is getting drastic, sharpen up the mathematics just so I can keep it stacking. And I'm knowing someday it's gonna change, but I gotta stay prepared for the rain. I'm minded the pain, I lock it in chains, I focused on game, and I keep on doing my thing, no matter the shame. I'm in the game, playing to win. I'm talking sinner notes in, I'll be racking it in. And if you feel me, then go ahead and nod your chin. I'm with the homies rolling and we all surfing the beam. So there you go, it's on the surface. So could you tell me now, is it really worth it?